One of the command I like the most is the offset command. O is the shortcut. Now, when you offset, the first thing that AutoCAD asks of you is to specify the distance. Offsets are parallel projections, so you can create a parallel projection of this circle, right? Offset to a certain distance of this rectangle as well. So you can also specify the distance by clicking on 2 points, and AutoCAD will measure that. So for this one, let's say I'd like it to be about a meter or 1,000. So I'll just type 1,000. That will be the offset distance. Space bar. I'll just select the circle and then the side to offset, either to the outer part of the circle, or if you move inside, it will be in the inner side of the circle. So let's do an outer one. Okay, and let's do this, an inner one, maybe an outer one, and an inner one. Now, since a rectangle is a polyline, then when you create an offset, it will offset all four sides. Now, if you want to end the offset process, then just hit space bar. And if you want to restart, and the reason why you might want to do that is you want to change the offset distance, then just hit the space bar again and maybe type a different distance. Let's say 500, space bar. This time when you create an offset, the offset will only be 500 away. Okay, space bar to end the process. Now, let's say you have a line right here, and you want to offset this by a certain amount. So O, by the way, L is the shortcut for line. So O, and then a distance, let's say, of 4,000. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I can offset this by that much, and maybe another one. Okay, now, space bar, and you can offset any line, curves, arc at a certain distance. Another command that I like is the fillet command. Now, let's create lines, and let's say lines that will eventually intersect. So this line will eventually intersect this, right? Now, with the fillet command, F is the shortcut. I can select the two lines and they will merge or join together at their intersecting point. Sorry about that. Now, this is because the radius is set at 0. I can change the radius and I'll do that later. Okay, so I just need to select this and that, and it connects. So that's fillet. It's a combination of trimming and extending lines that are about to intersect. Now, using the same fillet command, radius 0, if I click two parallel lines, remember, they're not going to be intersecting. So even if you project this as far as you want, it will not intersect. So what will AutoCAD do? If I select this line parallel to this, what it does, it creates a nice fillet, right? Half a circle fillet. Let's do that again. Hit the space bar key, select the two, and it creates that nice fillet. Okay. Now, if, for example, you want this line to go and continue up to this edge right here, you can use the trim command, but this time hold down the shift key and it will extend it to the next edge. If there's no edge to intersect to, then it will not work. So hold down the shift key, click, and it will intersect. Again, hold down the shift key, click, and it will extend. Click this one, you're still in the trim command, it will trim. Okay, now here, some might think that they can trim this, and in previous version, that cannot be done because you cannot, it's actually erasing it. So trim can actually also be an erase tool, right? So here, there's nowhere to trim, but and that means it will erase the line. So those are nice tools. Offset creates parallel lines, trim, extend, and erase combined in one powerful TR command. I love trim and offset. Those are my favorite commands.